Brain, this is cubic.
Oh, Brain.
Cubic has sides and length of 1 centimeter, meaning that she has a volume of 1 cubic centimeter. Oh, look, here come her friends. When Cubic and her friends join together, they get an all-new volume.
Brain.
Cubic now has 3 1-centimeter cubes in height, width, and depth. We can multiply the measurement of Cubic's height, width, and depth to give us the new volume. 27 cubic centimeters. We can use the same process to figure out Cubic's volume, no matter how big she gets.
Destroy.
Brain.
Ah, isn't it great to make new friends, Brain?